I got another first for you guys. The first Momos place in Dubai. Yalla Momos, that little shop right there, which has now become this big place. Multiple outlets, amazing food. Let me show you guys the stuff that I love, and pretty sure you guys will like it too. How's it going, Prashant?
Going very well.
It's good to finally meet you. What was the year that you opened this?
So we started in October 2012. So we completed 10 years.
Okay.
In fact, me and my wife, we loved momos. I studied in Nainital, it's in the Himalayas.
Okay.
So we used to eat momos there. So when I came to Dubai, there was no momos place. That's how we started.
So basically you start a trend. You're like the pioneer of momos in Dubai.
Right.
What was the reaction like?
Yes, so we are very lucky to have very, very good response from day one.
Amazing.
We had a good response. In fact, just after 4 months of opening our outlet, we had to close it because we wanted to redo the kitchen in order to meet the growing demand.
Wow.
So we redid our production line.
Amazing.
And
Wow.
yeah.
The rest is history.
Yep.
Some of the key dishes that you serve today that obviously everybody who comes here should have.
So let's say the number one dish would be the tandoori momos. So we marinate the momos. It goes in the grill.
So a skewer.
In the skewer, yes.
And then it goes on the grill.
Yes.
Okay, so take one of these.
Yeah.
Look at that. And first things first, small bite. All right, and then one of the sauces?
Yes, so but the mint sauce would go best with it.
Mint sauce goes best with that one, so here we go. That's phenomenal. Okay.
We have got dynamite momos, which we...
Dynamite, like dynamite shrimp?
Like dynamite
momos.
shrimps, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
fantastic. But this one, you have to excuse me, Prashant. I'm gonna eat the whole thing.
Yeah, I understand.
It's got that crisp on the outside. It's been deep fried, and then they throw it into a bowl, and they have that dynamite sauce, and they just mix it all up. Okay.
We have got jhol momos. So jhol means something which is unknown. Wow. So we have jhol momos because people are not able to guess the ingredients in the gravy.
I'll call it the surprise moment.
Okay, fine.
The flavor is going to surprise us. Look at that sauce. Look at that. It's dripping on the sauce, and oh man. Is it Manchurian?
No.
No?
No. It's the sesame seeds. It's the soy.
Sesame seed. Oh.
Soy and peanuts.
Wow, sesame seed, peanuts. Amazing, two of my favorite things. Tell me a little bit about the name and the Momo logo. Where did all that come from?
The word Yalla came because of, so we are in the Dubai Open and people were promoting Yalla Roger. So we took that Yalla word from there.
Oh, Yalla, like come on, Yalla Momos.
Yes.
Come on, Momos. All right, get it. I like it.
The recipes initially, we have a lot of inputs from the family. We have input from customers as well.
Whoa, look what just came. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Butter chicken Momo. So one of the most popular Indian dishes, and it's a North Indian dish, which is butter chicken, the most popular dishes in the country. This is probably the most popular, right?
Yeah, probably.
Oh my God, I see the cream up on top as well. This is unreal. I can feel the flavor on the inside as well, not just the outside.
Yeah.
Wow.
So when we started using the regular chicken momos with the butter chicken gravy. But one of the guests actually suggested that we do it this way, which will bring out even better taste. And it worked.
Let me get this beautiful noodles, which looks Chinese, but is not Chinese in flavor at all. There we go. The tastes of the streets of India. Nothing like having noodles on a wok where that roastiness, that toastiness is on it as well. I love it. It's got that char flavor. Oh my God, this is fantastic. That's so nice. You're right. It does remind me of the streets of Mumbai.
So this is a chocolate pastry, but we gave it a shape of momos. We call it a money bag shape.
I see.
So
Look at that.
It was within the line.
What's next for Yalla Momos?
Once we are okay with it, we will go with the franchise.
Fantastic.
We already get a lot of offers, but we will take that leap.
Superb. Thank you so much, Prashant. Good luck on everything going forward. You guys are amazing.